So today we're going to pull out this, well, it's a 78 or a 79 Fruehauf widespread. It's been parked here for at least 20 years. It was going to be a restoration project because there ain't many widespreads about. There certainly ain't many taut liner widespreads about. Trouble with the Fruehauf ones, they tend to go rotten on the spring hangers and that. So it's one of our old rental fleets. It's just been used for storage, just full of old lorry bits. Namely the cab off the old S95 and various other stuff from when we had the garage, being testers. There's all sorts in here, engine spares, all sorts of stuff. So I've swapped it for a shipping container, which would probably be more used to it. So this is coming out and off it'll go, and the new shipping container will go in its place.